Guys, this is the most heartbreaking story. I'm sure you saw it. It's been making rounds on the social media. I actually saw it on Facebook. I was just like, because this is not right. Sophie Ndaba's sister, basically. This is her niece. Lost her life in Zimbabwe. She was actually allegedly unalived by a boyfriend. They were drinking together. And then she was found the following day. Her lifeless body basically was found the following day, but this guy was actually arrested. They were seen in some restaurant drinking the day before. According to Zimbabwean media, they say that Ukodela Masaletulin was a broadcaster in Iska Sophie Ndaba. Ukodela Iniska Sophie Ndaba is actually 45, and then the boyfriend is 46, the one that's unalived. The live-in boyfriend his name is Quintin Fungai Tawinga. In any case by now, brothers. I don't know what was he thinking was gonna happen, Two had gone to a mall on the 4th of Jan, and then it rained, and then later on they moved somewhere else at around 10 p.m. They started having some argument, which then didn't end well, and then sisters was found the following day with some blood stains, and I think around her, like maybe like a cloth was found around her. And apparently their fight started when Kodela refused to go with Quintin. So Quintin was arrested and will appear again in Zimbabwe, obviously, a court corner on the 22nd of Jan. So guys, this is like a very, very serious GBV case that happened in Zim, and Sophie's family, obviously, Sophie Ndaba's family don't have like a full report, they're still awaiting authorities there to tell them what exactly happened here, just as much as the perpetrator obviously is arrested. So besimelapo, guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Kuningi ngithanda over sengathi ifamily Sophie Ndaba can find comfort, may Cordelia rest in eternal peace. Thank you, guys.